Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. App installed, permissions granted, and your phone connected to the home network so the app can sniff traffic. Once done, open the app and run the initial network scan. This discovers active clients and their MACs. Make sure to label your own devices now so the app doesn't flag them later. You're doing this to set a clean baseline. Without it, the detector can't reliably tell new or unknown devices apart. Once the baseline is recorded, examine the client list and pick out any unfamiliar MAC addresses. You want to distinguish guests from intruders. Then configure sensitivity and alert channels so you get notified without constant false alarms. Make sure to enable router integration or ARP verification if available. This adds an extra validation layer by cross-checking the router lease table. You'll lower false positives and learn. To finish, act on alerts. Block the suspect from the router or change the Wi-Fi password, then reconnect trusted devices. You should log device details and timestamps so you can track repeat offenders. This helps with pattern recognition. If something goes wrong, recalibrate the baseline and confirm the app has proper permissions and no VPN interfering, because those commonly cause false positives. Finally, make routine scans part of your network hygiene, so problems are caught early rather than after damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.